everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and smartest ways to earn money online, right from the comfort of your home. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best ways to make money online. And let me know in the comments what country you're watching from. I'd love to make videos specific to your region. Okay, so have you ever noticed you've got extra internet bandwidth just sitting there, totally unused? Maybe you have a fast connection, but you're not always using it to its full potential. What if I told you that you could turn that wasted internet into real cash? No scams, no weird strings attached? Yes, you heard that right. There's a way to make your idle internet work for you, and it's easier than you might think. Let's talk about Monami. It's a legit platform that lets you earn rewards just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Here's how it works. Monami connects people who have extra bandwidth with companies and researchers who need it for various online tasks. First, you sign up with your email or Google account. Super easy. The registration process takes just a couple of minutes and you don't need to provide any sensitive information up front. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that tracks all your earnings and activity. This dashboard is user-friendly and gives you a clear overview of how much you've earned, how much bandwidth you've shared, and your referral stats. Now, the magic happens when you log in and let Monami use your idle bandwidth and your device's computing power. You don't have to do anything, just keep the app running in the background while you use your device as usual. And yes, you get paid for it. Monami rewards you with their own native tokens. These tokens are credited to your account automatically as you share your bandwidth. These tokens are the platform's cryptocurrency, and you can trade or use them as you like. You can convert them to other cryptocurrencies, or even cash out to your local currency, depending on the available options in your country. The best part? You don't need any special equipment or tech skills, just your everyday device and a stable internet connection. Whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or even a smartphone, you can start earning right away. Want to earn even more? There's a referral program. This means you can boost your earnings by inviting friends, family, or even your online followers to join Monami. Invite your friends to join Monami, and every time they start earning, you collect a reward too. It's a win-win. The more people you refer, the more passive income you can generate with no extra effort. Just grab your unique referral link from the dashboard and share it wherever you want. Social media, group chats, you name it. Some users even create tutorials or posts to help others get started, which can really boost your referral numbers. This is something you can do from anywhere in the world, and it works in the background while you go about your day. Whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing, Monami keeps earning for you. If you're looking for a truly passive side hustle, this is one of the simplest ways to start. You don't have to change your routine or put in extra hours, just set it up once and let it run. So, what do you think? Would you try turning your extra internet into cash? Imagine earning a little extra every month just by sharing something you're not even using. Drop your thoughts and questions down below. I love hearing from you. If you've tried Monami or a similar platform, share your experience so others can learn from it too. Thanks so much for watching. Your support means the world to me, and I'm always excited to bring you new ways to boost your income. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss another money-making tip. The more you share, the more people we can help. See you in the next one. Until then, keep hustling and making the most of your online opportunities.